Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming ports and gathering the exact cable or adapter you need. Once done, plug the monitor into power and connect the cable to the laptop. Make sure the monitor is set to the correct input. On your laptop, open Display Settings and choose Detect if the monitor doesn't appear automatically. You do this now to avoid configuration confusion later, and it gets the hardware recognized so the software steps that follow work correctly. Once the monitor is detected, choose how you want to use it. Duplicate for mirroring or extend to expand your workspace. Select second screen only if using external display exclusively. Next, set resolution and refresh rate to match the monitor's native specs so text and motion look correct. Arrange the virtual displays to match their physical positions and assign which is primary. Make sure to apply changes and confirm if things look off. You finish by updating graphics drivers and any monitor firmware to ensure compatibility. Once updated, test audio over HDMI/USB-C, confirm scaling for readability, and calibrate colors if needed. Save your display layout so it persists after reboots. If the monitor shows no signal or flickers, troubleshoot. Swap the cable, try a different port or adapter, and restart both devices. That single quick swap, changing the cable or port, often resolves connection faults, so do it before more complex diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.